Hi guys, welcome to the Mobile Tech Lab. Today in our show, we're privileged to have Kenneth. Kenneth is a programmer and he works in microfinance. I'm your host, Dennis. Welcome to the show, Kenneth.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Alright.
So, Kenneth, tell us a bit about yourself, what you're doing and what drove you, why did you venture into the field?
Okay. I'm a programmer. I've been programming for about 6 or 7 years now, and I probably discovered programming by chance because I did a course it was a computer science course that allowed us to study all those things, and then I found that programming was what I found interesting. So I continued working on that, and that's how I came to learn programming and to like programming. Yeah.
Now, Kenneth, would you tell the viewers on the potential of mobile development in Kenya?
Okay.
As you've seen and heard around that there's a lot of potential in mobile development in the country.
Okay.
So do you tell our viewers more about that?
Yeah. Well, there's two things. There is one that mobile development is really a part of technology. And so technology has a big space in the world to come, in the world that we're in right now. So it's not just Kenya, it's not just Africa, it's the entire continent. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that the people who work in programming, because those are the ones that like to speak to, it's that programming is one of those last professions where you can sit down on your computer and you can create something of value and push it out there to the world. Of course, you need to find customers and do sales, but at the in the very simplest form, you can sit on your computer, just you and yourself, and solve somebody's problem. So you can't do that in medicine. You can't sit down and go and start treating patients. So it's a powerful place to be. It's an important place to be. There's so many problems in our society that can be fixed by technology, and especially mobile technology, because in the future everybody will have a mobile phone. It will be in your pocket, it will be with you all the time. So we're looking from healthcare to finance to education, the banks of the future, technology companies, the hospitals of the future, technology companies. So there's so much to do. I think there's too little of us. We probably need to train more people and get more people to like technology.
Thank you. So maybe as we wind the show, what would you like to tell the young developers who are coming or guys who want to venture into mobile development?
Okay.
What opportunities are there for them, and how will they go about that?
Okay. So there's one thing which I mentioned earlier, is that in the future everybody will have a phone in their pocket. So that's an opportunity for all the mobile developers, the young ones, the old ones, the ones that are coming up, to understand that they have an opportunity in time to do something significant for the entire planet. So they should rise up to the challenge and take that. And the second thing is that they should just keep writing code. Just write more code and write more code, just keep getting better and better. And then the better you become, the more ready you will be when it's your time to solve a big problem.
That was Kenneth. Thanks for watching the show. Next we have the news.
Hey guys, welcome to the Mobile Tech Lab news presented to you by Eugene Odanga. So on the news this week, I'm sure you've all heard about what WhatsApp has done. It's moving into PC, which is a great big step, moving away from mobile and reducing the amount of data guys end up using at the end of the day. Kudos to them. To get your WhatsApp on web, you just go to web.whatsapp.com. To access that. Also, in the same news, WhatsApp has decided to lock out this third-party application called WhatsApp Plus. This came because there is security issues, and as it turns out, a lot of people actually have WhatsApp Plus installed, thinking that it's the official app. So they decided to lock it out, and unfortunately for you users who are actually using WhatsApp Plus, it will be deleted, and you will be banned from using WhatsApp for 24 hours. So yeah, if you have it, sorry. Next, Safaricom. They partnered up with Nokia to help them roll out, expand their 2G and 3G networks and roll out LTE to Mombasa and Nairobi. And at the same time, we have a new mobile phone player in the country called Obi Mobile. It is brought to you by the former CEO of Apple. His name is John Scully. And yeah, you know how Apple is, they have quality. So yeah, Obi Mobile, well, let's see when it comes. But yeah, it promises actually very, very good quality. And yeah, that's it for the news for this week. Thank you for joining me. Alright, on to my favorite part of the week, app of the week. This is a section where we bring you only the best from African applications, mobile applications, across all the platforms from Kenya specifically, just to make you slightly more aware of what's going on in your scene. And the app of the week is called Med Africa. If you've never heard of this before, Med Africa, built by Shimba Technologies, is one of the biggest applications when it comes to the medical scene. Yeah, so Med Africa has a host of features, including certified medical tips, symptom identifiers, a huge catalog of medical stuff, and you can get the contacts on there as well if you need tips and help on your health issues and whatnot. It gives you nearby hospitals using GPS. It can track your location and tell you which hospitals are closest to you and how to get there. And it can also give you dietary advice for all of you who are looking for that kind of thing. It can be found on the Google Play Store. So yeah, just go over there. We'll leave the link at the bottom of this page. Thank you for watching. Basically, it's designed to give you basically this application